Yeah, okay.
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 Hi, Mr. Ihsan.
Hello, nice to meet you again.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm very fine, thank you,
Okay.
Alhamdulillah. What about you?
Okay. Thank you. And then I hope I'm not disturbing
No.
your time. And then
No.
may I ask you a few questions about your teaching experience?
Mhm.
And then I will first the question.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Maybe I'm sorry. So
Don't be nervous.
okay. Mm, wait. I'm so sorry. In your opinion, how can teach method be adjusted to help students who are also working or have responsibility outside of campus?
Oh, I think the two ways is or same priority because the function of a lecture not to be teach a class, but the lecture have function too to be helpful the student, how to be I don't know substitute parents and class and campus, how to be lecture to function to be the oldest brothers maybe, how to be the lecture function to be I don't know council yeah I don't know maybe personality council of you all. So maybe a multi think and multi difference of function of lecture that you know that not to be how teach more multi dimension about lecture.
Okay, and the next, how do you deal with students who feel shy or hesitant to speak up during class discussions?
Wow. It's difficult
Yes.
question. How to be a first of all I to motivate her first of all personality,
Yes.
motivate about yes you can be good for or yourself, you can be for you can be good for other self. How to be first after motivation, I'm how make sure the confidence
Confidence.
to be the good pitch top performs.
Okay.
Maybe I don't know, given him I don't know, motivate words, how to be I don't know, maybe given him the I don't know the word to be I don't know to emotional the positive emotional personality, maybe something I given him or comedy or something or gimmick how to be her on him to me confidence again. Just like that.
Okay. And the next, what do you think about giving students more autonomy in choosing how they want to learn? For example, through videos and then readings or practice tests.
Oh. Okay, about that, I was always given my student I don't know I don't know maybe secondary about material of PPT I don't know analytic critical of film because I think they haven't more correlism about the movie about the topics we're talking about PPT or material of class maybe journal something because for me the film or maybe word of the good people is have given I don't know I call it the good influencer maybe about how to be our personality how to be I don't know maybe refreshing our mind refreshing our stereotype about the topics about we talking about class. And then after that I want to be my student more to be proactive analyticism student.
Okay.
Maybe not in class yeah maybe after class I want they having the more open nerd mind to be open nerd mind about how about characterism how about to be open mind how about to be I don't know analyticism about mindset how to be open mind to be how about their criticism about their phenomenon about beside her beside them I want to be, I don't know, I'm just especially agree about automatically
Yes.
auto to be independently
Yes.
above them to
Oh.
be, I don't know, more, I don't know, more to be independent people they haven't in class, they given to the other class, just like
Oh.
that.
Okay, enough. Oh, wow. And then the last of my question, and then do you think traditional lecture based teachings is still effective for today's generation of students?
Okay. I think I don't know. We call it the traditional lecture or maybe modern lecture. Just about typically, yeah, typically not to be personality, just typically. But the personality of lecture, I think the lecture is always open mind,
Okay.
open herself to do to the student. I don't know. Maybe about question, maybe about have for them a personality of each other the student. I think the lecture must be to be, I don't know, I can telling about how to be humbleful person to hold a lot of the student, not be one or I don't know for some, but how to be a lot of our student. I have 14 class and 330 student. So I want to be, I don't know, try to behold my all of my student, 380%
Wow.
in, I don't know, in my student, yeah.
Okay.
Maybe the student of Rec A, morning class, Rec B, the night class, maybe the Tuesday class, yeah, and maybe and Saturday class,
Oh.
check CS, check CS, just like
Yeah,
that.
okay, okay.
I want to be the lecturer, be humbleful to all people, our like our student, maybe our I don't know, we call them the community of this campus. I want to be like that.
Oh.
I want to be not gap. I want to be not to be. I know. People values. Well, Mr. Insan is very. I don't know. Killing killer teachers. No, I don't want to be. I
Okay.
want to be humbleful. I want to be not apa. I don't know. I don't know. A gimmick maybe. And protagonist and antagonist. I would like to be protagonist lecture, just like that.
Oh, okay.
Impressionism.
Okay. I'm sorry. Can I ask the last question? And then, from your experience, what the common challenge in the teaching communication related course?
Okay, I think the challenge of the teach communication first of all about the use of practically about them educational material, and then the secondly adaptation about they teach in class and they improve in himself. The second and the thirdly is it mean how to be the material of education can be useful, not
Okay.
from to be himself or another, not to be to another people or another maybe another student, but how to be we can teach can useful for a lot of people. They call I'm maybe a challenge or maybe this is a more challenging for we to be
Lecture.
lecture of
Yes.
science communication science to be maybe not today, maybe for another day, maybe for the futures, just like that.
Okay. Enough. Okay. Thank you. And the
Anything
next,
else?
enough.
Enough?
And then the
You
next,
can.
for Rafi.
Okay.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Okay.
wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
I'm
wabarakatuh.
Ovi from class 13,
Okay.
Communication Student Program.
Nice to
First
meet
of all,
you.
thank you so much, Mr. Isam, taking your time to help
Okay.
us again. I'll start by asking you something question
Okay.
about learning activities and teaching methods. Same question with yesterday. Okay, what's your opinion about lecture about the time given by Kaprodi of the program for teaching and learning in class? It's we start to study for 2 hours. Yeah. How do you think? It's too short or too long time?
Okay. I think the effectively we learn and we teach only 1 hour
Just 1 hour?
because our focus in all the journal other journal ya, just 1 hour.
No, just 1 hour.
The focus ya, you know, maybe morning class, afternoon class, evening class, maybe after night class, just 1 hour. After that, I don't know, the spot of focus maybe can be focused again. We can, I don't know, think about maybe our home,
Yeah, hungry,
hungry.
sleepy.
We think about our girlfriend, boyfriend,
Yeah, yeah.
something, maybe or something. Because I think it makes parents of to be lecture. Our focus to be teach and we accept how the lecture teach is 1 hour.
Just 1 hour.
I think 2 hour more long time, but the situational ya, the condition is 2 hour. Maybe 1 hour. I want to be how I explain the material, and our
Next hour.
next hour 1 hour to be how to be game.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe cancel and answer, maybe with another lecture to be game, or maybe ice breaking or something. Then make I don't know, no for maybe the conditional and the gimmick have my correlation.
Okay.
So 2 hour more be useful
Okay.
to be I don't know. I'm just calling the killing time.
Okay.
Killing time. How about 2 hours? Is like that. About that.
And what the method do you implement when teaching our class?
Oh, about the method. First of all, just like same like before, I'm the traditional
Traditional
traditional lecturer. I learn about material in PPT, in journal or something thesis, dissertation, something. But I given more more material, maybe like a movie analysis, or maybe speak of the another apa I don't know, the more experienced people. Maybe I don't know. Maybe for the next semester, I call in. Maybe I want to try to be games in the class. I don't know. Maybe apa more couple of speak maybe pro and contra, and maybe another game. I don't know, fun game or something. So make the my student more flexibility, more enjoyable and class just like that. Not be Mr. Insert is boring. Just about how about traditional now. I want to try to that the next semester just like that.
Okay. Next question about lecture site life in campus. Like, what is the relationship life of the lecture in campus? How do you keep in touch with the friends or share information? Do you have a lecture bestie or something?
Oh no.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Just maybe same like another situation and a condition. Yeah, maybe in lecture in our community, maybe I have more closer lecture. Maybe I'm calling. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I don't call enemy. Maybe I'm calling apa different thing ya.
Okay.
Different of lecture. Maybe I don't know. Maybe them more at I don't know. The character different to me. So I'm trying to be I don't know in class in lecture room how to be the nice people, how to be humble people, how to be I make more closer with another lecturer. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe they don't like me. I don't know for I don't know for any condition or something. But I'm trying to be the nice person. I'm nice to be the nice lecturer. I'm nice to be the good and humbling personality. I'm trying to be a good given attitude just like that. I'm not just I just how to try to be nice person just like that.
Iya, Pak. What is the most effective practice to learn your course? That's sociology communication. What the most effective we must to learn?
Oh, maybe
Reading or we see something video.
Oh, yeah. For method, our method ya. Maybe material, I don't know, narrative or something. I just given video because video with movies or something more related for our life. I don't know, maybe some apa, I don't know, movie something and sorry Indonesian movie or website movie.
We can try
correlated.
anything method.
For me, anything for
Yeah.
better. Music maybe for next time. Maybe I'm calling at the podcast. And maybe I don't know about how about your
Yeah.
maybe not sometime I'm record your communication then I'm
yeah.
show in the class. So I don't know. I'm very comfortable. I'm very flexibility about the material, the typical material of class.
Okay, Mr. Isan, how do you, as a lecturer, make some evaluation for us, for grade me, like how you can give Kak Anissa student a like grade A plus, me B plus. How do you how do you as a
kategori
lecturer evaluation
evaluation.
as a student?
Maybe first of all, the evaluation how to be active and interactive them in
In
class.
class, okay.
The secondly, I want I don't know for about maybe value yeah about middle exam or final exam, and then I don't know. I'm typically more objectively. I don't want more subjective. No, I don't know. Maybe people have to they have a different knowledge, but I'm trying to generate same. I don't know. Maybe he or she don't like to me, no adapted to me, not maybe no acceptable to me. But I will always try to be I don't know.
Interactive with another.
Yeah, the attractive person. I try to be acceptable them all because for me I don't know people all the different category. Uh, we have different I don't know a value you know, different how yeah yeah just like that. But I try to be generous of same because for me yeah I'm. Just like you all, just like are my brothers, just like brothers. I don't know, brothers maybe just like don't like, but I'm trying to be like
Friends.
a friend, make more friends, more make brothers with all another. Not my not for my student to be like you, all another people in this campus.
Okay, this is the last question. What kind of career opportunities are available after we are graduation from this program?
Oh yeah. First of all, maybe for I don't know, we have three concentrate communication science in PAM. First of all, broadcasting. Maybe we can correlation. How about your characteristic category, and maybe how to be yourself in class. Maybe if you more good to be spoken, you can be the public speaking just like that. If you have good about applied about camera something, you can maybe camera person. Or you now maybe you have work company, you can use your communication applied about communication corporate to be your plan for in your company. Maybe you're going to be good PR, you're going to be good analyzing, you be to be good organization, how to be good resulting or something. The all material in campus can you adopt it in yourself.
Okay.
Adopted how to be I don't know to be employee maybe next time you to be a good wife, next time to be the good mother, the good relationship maybe a daughter-in-law something. What we accepted in class we can use for anything and different situation different the situational is very useful. Just not for our class or something, but our big class is our life of community.
Okay, Mr.
Just like
Isan, thank you so much for
Thank
helping
you
us
for the
complete this project.
question. I hope my
Iya,
answer
terima
may be
kasih.
useful for you all. Thank
Terima
you for
kasih.
this today.
Makasih banyak ya Pak.
Sama-sama.